In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create AI videos from text prompt in Canva. So first head over to Canva AI, then here click on the text box and select video clip. Next, type in a prompt like this. You can also be more specific on what you want to include in the video and what's the appearance and visuals you'd like to add in the video. Then click on the Submit button. Canva AI will then generate scenes, layouts, and visuals based on your prompt. Just choose the version you like the best. And once generated, customize your video. You can edit the text, add clips, insert images, and adjust timing between scenes. You can also enhance it with music, animations, and AI voice to make it more engaging and professional. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!